The best base for a retaining wall is a stable base. So if we go in and the ground seems to be really, really soft, what we need to do is dig down, which we call a toe in, or if it's on a slope, what we'll do is we'll shelf it in. We'll come in and shelf in. What we're looking for is really stable ground that has no give to it. That's what you want to put a wall on. If you can't find it, you need to keep digging until you have a solid enough base. In some instances, if it's a 40% slope or more, or the geotech deems it too soft, they will recommend pilings, which is where they drive, just like foundation pilings or helical pilings, where you drive them in, you pour a footing, and so you essentially artificially create a solid base upon which you can build a retaining wall.